Attention, fellow professionals engaged in heat exchanger, refrigeration equipment, and boiler manufacturing. Today, let's introduce a precision tool for pipeline connection, the ball expanding machine. Whether it's copper pipes or stainless steel pipes, it can easily achieve a firm and sealed connection between pipes and tube sheets. Now, let's uncover its remarkable advantages. The core principle of this ball expanding machine is particularly intuitive. Its key component is a rigid ball made of cemented carbide, with a diameter slightly larger than the inner diameter of the pipe to be expanded. During operation, the hydraulic drive system pushes this ball steadily from one end of the pipe to the other. At the moment the ball squeezes the inner wall of the pipe, it causes uniform plastic deformation of the pipe. The pipe's diameter expands directly to fit tightly against the whole wall of the tube sheet, completing a tight connection in just a few seconds, both efficient and precise. It achieves precise adaptation for different materials. For copper pipes with good ductility and low hardness, only low tube expansion pressure is required. The ball encounters little resistance during pushing, and the pipe has minimal springback after expansion, resulting in exceptionally high efficiency. When dealing with stainless steel pipes that have high hardness and are prone to work hardening, the equipment automatically adapts to higher driving pressure, precisely controls the ball pushing speed, and reserves a reasonable springback allowance to avoid pipe cracking. Even difficult to process materials like 300 for stainless steel can achieve reliable connection quality.